Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about the code editor or code editors. When we're programming, we are opening up a text file, we're writing some instructions written in some language, for example PHP or JavaScript or Python. If we are going to do a really good job and if we want to really help ourselves, we should use a specialized software for writing this code, and this is what we call the code editor. We could use like a very simple text editor like Notepad or TextEdit or even Word to write our code, but that will not provide the advantages and friendliness and the extra features that code editor software provides to us. So code editor is a text editor, but with some extra functionality, with some extra features that help developers, help programmers visualize the code and run all sorts of helpful commands like debug our code or highlight some errors that we might have on our code. And they also provide what is called syntax highlighting, which is a special coloring scheme. And by these different colors, we can see which part of the code corresponds to different concepts or, for example, functions and variables and stuff like that. So if you're going to code, you're certainly going to need and use a code editor. Thank you for watching.